We did have a tornado touchdown yesterday evening, Millhausen. It was an EF0 tornado on the ground for about 2 minutes with a peak wind of 84 miles per hour. There was damage to a barn roof and wall, and a small horse trailer was picked up and tossed to the north side of a county road there. We saw the wind stick around for today, very strong across the area. A 44-mile-an-hour wind gust in Muncie, 45 miles per hour in Lafayette, and a 46-mile-an-hour gust in Kokomo. Let's talk about it being too early to plant anything out there because the average date of last frost is not until April 28th, and I mentioned that because we may see some frost as early as Sunday morning. So your Easter Sunday going to get off to a chilly start. For your sunrise service at 7:04, the temperature at 33 in the 40s by lunchtime, and we'll keep the temperature in the 50s coming up on Sunday afternoon. In the overnight forecast, will cool down to 42 here in the city, 41 in Muncie, and 40 for the low temperature in Lafayette. But we do fall into the 30s tonight in both Kokomo and in Richmond. The winds will be coming in from the west. Another gusty day of weather tomorrow, not quite as strong as today, but still from the west around 30 miles per hour. We'll start the day with a little bit of sunshine across central Indiana. See the clouds building in tomorrow afternoon, and from those clouds late tomorrow afternoon on through tomorrow night, we'll see a few widely scattered showers around. Before the cloud cover builds, though, warm temperatures up into the 60s tomorrow, as warm as 63 here in the city and downstate in Bloomington. In the overnight forecast, will stay windy and cool, down to a low temperature at 42. Tomorrow, a mix of clouds and sunshine early, a chance of scattered showers late, the high temperature at 63, southwest wind at 20 to 30 miles per hour. In the 7-day forecast, we'll find it cooler for the weekend with highs in the 50s on Saturday and on Sunday. On Monday, the high temperature in the 50s with a chance of rain. We'll stay with a high temperature near 50 with sunshine coming up on Tuesday, then warmer for Wednesday and Thursday with highs near 60 with showers and thunderstorms